Siwa, an oasis situated between the Qattara Depression and the Egyptian Sand Sea, is a scenic 750-kilometer drive from Cairo. This beautiful oasis is the location of one of the region's deepest water springs, which serves as the source for Hayat's bottled water. The Hayat Company for Industrialization and Development sources its water from a reservoir over 1,000 meters deep, providing water with an ideal balance of dissolved salts. Additionally, this natural water source is safeguarded from pollution and contamination, ensuring the purity and high quality of our product. We take pride in adhering to the strictest quality standards. As a result, we've been awarded the ISO 9001-2015 and 22000-2018 certifications and have been whitelisted by the National Food Safety Authority, the NFSA. This recognition testifies to our dedication to supplying our customers with safe, healthy, and exquisite water. In 2017, Hayat initiated a development plan that included enhancements to production lines, warehouses, and factory infrastructure. This strategic move placed Hayat amongst the top companies in the sector, aligning with NFSA standards. During the next year, Hayat successfully negotiated a contract with the Matrur government's investment sector. This allowed Hayat to expand by an additional 30,000 square meters, including a warehouse for final products and raw materials spanning 6,000 square meters, ensuring capacity for future production expansion. In 2019-2020, Hayat implemented a new upgrade with a high-efficiency production line from Kronos, a leading global company. This production line, which ranges from the blowing stage to the complete pallet with a capacity of 22,000 bph, is fully automated, offering high quality and lower power consumption. In 2022-2023, Hayat embarked on a project to create a new deep well to replace the existing one. This development ensures the safety of Mansour's investments and applies the latest drilling technologies, thereby maintaining Hayat's status as a premier source of natural drinking water.